Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the part 2 of the chapter The Tiger King. In the earlier video, we have discussed that when the Maharaja of Pratibandhupuram, that is the name of the place, came to know about the manner of his death, that he would be killed by the tigers. So he started killing the tigers. Then the astrologer told the king that he might kill 99 tigers in the same manner and he must be very careful with the 100th tiger. So, in this way, he killed 70 tigers and the tiger population that became extinct in his state. Extinct means ended abruptly. So, in order to solve this problem, the Maharaja, married a girl from the royal family in whose kingdom there was a large tiger population. Each time he visited the kingdom of his father-in-law, he killed 5 or 6 tigers. He killed 29 more tigers, making the total number of tigers killed by him to be 99. Now, only one more tiger remained to be killed to achieve his tally of the 100. But now, no tiger was left even in his father-in-law's kingdom. But soon, there came a happy news that in his own state, the sheep began to disappear from hillside village. It meant that there was a tiger which was eating up the sheep. The Maharaja became happy on hearing this news. So he went to the forest and set up his camp there. But no tiger was seen. Then king became angry and he called the Diwan and spoke him angrily. Diwan knew if the king did not find the tiger, he would lose his job. So he brought tiger from People's Park in Madras and hidden in his house. At midnight, he and his wife put that tiger in a car and took him into the jungle where the king was camping. There, they pushed him out of the car and came away. The next day, the Maharaja saw the tiger and shot at him. The tiger collapsed. Then the king was happy and he ordered that tiger should be taken to the kingdom. After the Maharaja had gone, the hunters they went near the tiger and they found that the tiger was not dead and the Maharaja missed his aim. They found that the tiger had fainted from the shock, but they dared not tell this to the king. So one of the hunters shot at the tiger and killed him. A few days later, the third birthday of the Maharaja's son was celebrated. The king saw a wooden tiger in a shop and decided to give it to his son as a gift. The skin of the wooden tiger that was rough and was covered with silvers like quills. Quills means sharp pointed hairs. But the late astrologer's prediction then came true. When the father and his son played with the wooden tiger, one of the silvers pierced the king's right hand. Pierced means that make a small hole in the king's right hand and infection spread within 4 days all over his right arm. 3 surgeons they performed the operation upon him, but the king died. In this way, the 100th tiger took the king's life. And what is the theme of this chapter? What is the theme of this chapter? That the theme of this chapter is that the destiny plays a vital role in person's life, and one cannot evade his or her death. Thank you.